American-made WeatherTech coasters are a functional, durable, and versatile solution to spills, scratches, and watermarks. The raised lip design traps fluids in the coaster, while the small stubs on the underside keep the coaster raised, further protecting your surface. Unlike imported coasters, the WeatherTech coasters are made of odor-free, 100% USA-made raw material, making them a perfect surface for ice buckets, potted plants, soap dispensers, and more. They are designed with a textured pattern that prevents slippage and sticking and are self-stacking for easy and convenient storage. The WeatherTech coasters come in a variety of different sizes and colors, proudly displaying Made in the USA on the back. The WeatherTech coasters come in sets of 4, party packs, restaurant packs, and more. Protect your countertops, tables, floors, and more with American-made WeatherTech coasters. Also available from WeatherTech are the indoor mat, outdoor mat, boot tray, and Christmas tree mat.